Alright, so Apollo, who's gotten big enough to reach the top of the cage and wrap around his light fixtures at night when he's exploring, because he gets a little bored in this 4x2x2. He climbs up and he wraps himself around the cage, and he wraps himself around the little fixture here that puts off his little LED ambient light. So I bought him some perches. Now he can climb up and wrap around these perches, secured to the wall, and do all the gymnastics he wants to do. Right, buddy? So, yeah. What do you think, dude? So they're all pretty secure. They won't last him forever, because eventually when he's bigger and heavier, he'll just snap them. But yeah, they should last him a while in this cage till he gets too big for this cage and we have to put him in something bigger. I just hung him up there, and I think he's kind of like, I don't know what to do. So we'll check back in on him, see if he starts thinking he's floating through the trees. Right, dude? Right, dude? Man, he's getting big. I don't power feed him. I feed him every 2 weeks. A lot of people get these things and they throw as much food to them as they'll take to try to make them big. That's not healthy for them. So I'm keeping him at a good weight. You can see skin's good and tight. I know. That's my dude. That's my dude. All right, buddy. Enjoy those. Enjoy those. One day he's going to have a nice, big, fancy enclosure with some actual good replica trees to climb through. Got a couple of spider webs in there. Won't you, dude? Anyway, we're gonna leave him alone. Let him enjoy himself for a minute. Hi, dude. I'll check back on you, okay? It's been about 30 minutes. 30 minutes since I hung these up, and he's still exploring. You like that, dude? Hey, what do you think? You like these branches? I'm going to call it a win. What do you think, Dingle? Dingle, is it a win? Is it a win?
My wife was like, "You bought what? You bought $3,000 worth of pottery?"
What do you think, dude?
I've been using it for years and planting it all.
You got your own little jungle gym now, don't you?
Pottery, but I got
Enjoy it, buddy.
Chinese village that was part of
All right.
China. So I can't
Over now.
wait to do creative things.